vizuri. Kuja hiyo Friday 21st ukanyaga hiyo Emurua Dikir uone utawacha hiyo suruali yako kubwa na utoroke hapa. Gachagua utawacha hiyo suruali yako kubwa na utoroke ukijaribu kutuletea mambo ya ukabila hapa Emurua Dikir. Nitoboe nisitoboe? Niseme nisiseme? Niseme nisiseme? Niseme nisiseme? Gachagua Emurua Dikir, jua historia ya Emurua Dikir. Wewe kama wewe ni mwanaume vizuri, basi we are ready. Wewe kuja, nasikia utakuja na jini. Sisi kitu tunatutaki hapa ni mambo ya ukabila. Sisi ni Wakenya wapenda amani. Sisi hatuna hiyo mambo yako ya upuzi ya kuenda kuongea vitu ya ujinga. Hii area tunajaribu kuhili kwa kiongozi wetu mwenye tulimpoteza hawa hero. Telecho ana ngeno.
Yeah, welcome back again to the TV. Kenyans, we are heading to the wrong direction. Why my people I'm saying like this? It's because of goons. Goons wamekuwa ni kama ni wao wana rule this country. Na police officers, they always don't take action to those goons. The other day, my people, we have seen goons wakiblock the Thika superhighway in order waweze kuilisha breaks to the motorists, my people. Na police officers hakuna action waliweza kutake. The other day also tuliweza kuona magoons wameattack a restaurant pale hivyo ni Westlands, my people, wakaibiana ma laptop, masimu, kila kitu. Na police officers hakuna action waliweza kutake. And so few days ago, that is it was the 16, my people, the Linda Mwananchi team walikuwa wanaelekea pale Homa Bay County, lakini Gladys Wanga, MP Peter Kaluma, they ordered the supporters of Tuta that wasialao the Linda Mwananchi team kuja pale Homa Bay. You know, MP Kaluma, kuko na video, it was circulating all over online. MP Kaluma aki-order the goons ati waweze kumaliza anyone says one time, my people. Lakini sahi police officers, they have not taken any action to MP Kaluma, and instead they arrested the bodyguard of James Orengo, and kwa sababu the bodyguard of James Orengo aliweza kuonekana na weapon akiprotect James Orengo. Lakini wa Kenya, acha ukweli ito ukweli, hata kama James Orengo the bodyguard aliweza kuonekana na weapon, unaweza acha kosa kuwa na weapon, my people, kama wewe unaona the group of 50 people wakuwa wanakuja kukuattack, wanarusha mamawe, gari zimeharibiwa, kuko na wamama wamekatakata na mapanga, na wewe umekaa tu hapo eti umenyamaza, na unajua vizuri those goons wameweza kupatiwa ruhusa, they finish anyone who says wanta, you know. And so today pale Emurua Dikir, as we all know, Rigathi Gachagua will travel to Emurua Dikir this weekend. Kuko na rally ya DCP party pale Emurua Dikir this weekend. Lakini some goons wameweza kulipwa, wakaweza kutishia Rigathi Gachagua that asiweze kufika pale Emurua Dikir, you know. Lakini wa Kenya, hao watu wanalipa magoons, mbona wasichukuliwe hatua? The government tunasikia wakisema all over at yo Kipchumba Murkomen, tumesikia kisema mara kadhaa at this country hawataweza kuallow goons at yo sijui ni nini, my people. Lakini Kipchumba Murkomen hakuna action anatake, you know, kwa hao magoons, my people. And according to my opinion, naona kama Kipchumba Murkomen amesahau na kazi yake. Lakini si kusahau na kazi yake, my people, ni kufuata maamri, you know. Wale watu nasikia wanafuatanga Mr. Excellency William Samoei Ruto. And so hawezi sema kitu kama hajasema shika huyu fanya hivi. And that's why tunashida tukiona the opposition leaders ni wao wanahangaisha sana. The other day tuliweza kuwa na MP from Okoro in Nyeri County, aliweza kusema some words pale Inoro TV, akasema that yule mtu atachagua Mr. Excellency William Samoei Ruto na ni wa Mount Kenya region wataweza kumfuata hadi kwake nyumbani. The next day that MP of Mukurweni constituency, my people, aliweza kuwa arrested na police officers. But MP Kaluma, after the video circulating all over social media, ordering the goons that waweze kudestroy, kuattack any person who says one time, bado sahi MP Kaluma he is free. And instead MP Kaluma anasema eti Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ni aliweza kusponsor the violence in Homa Bay County. Na sisi tunashindwa, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta alisponsor the violence in Homa Bay County aje kama kuko na some videos, claiming that the goons, wale watu wote wanasema one time, akiambia magoons yani wale watu wote wanasema one time waweze kuatakiwa. Before you continue, before nisiambie stories zangu my people, let's check this video in musikie vile Peter Kaluma alikuwa anasema. This video wanaongea lugha ya Kijaluo, lakini najua kuko na Waluo hapo hivi my friends wataweza kusikiza na wataweza kutranslate, watuambie what is happening na kwa nini Peter Kaluma hajaweza kuwa arrested hadi saa hii. Tupatane next time.
Malaka anbele achiwo leyo pio soso ni direction kendo timo gik madwarore. Kokamano agombo ni thuolo wamire uru maber an gima wacho ka obed gima wan go nikech wan jotuta. Kokamano eru kamano.
Jabara power untie e mokwongo kawuono wan ka mondo wapar gimoro achiel ni ok wawacho tuta, wawacho tuta nikech ber mwasenene. Wawinjore kaka wuono wang'iyo town wayudo ka lam oringe chuny town, mano dimi wach one time en ang'owa tuta. Kwang'iyo pia molosno e town kacha mabedi koro gibiro nikech President Ruto koro ne ginyawang'ayo to wawil rende wacho ni one time ok nyalre. Kwang'iyo fish market kacha, kwang'iyo stadium, kwang'iyo Boretam, kwang'iyo lakefront kacha, kwang'iyo Yomino Ohabla ka biro yimbo to wawil mowach ni one time. Gik ma higni te pok ne waneno. Emomiyo kawuono wabiro ka mondo waparni ni jomoko biro donjo iwa ka machalo kudni madwa chamowa ma wiwa wil gi ber ma President Ruto osetimo e gweng'wa ka. Wariwre uru kaka yo matindo mondo warit telo maber mabiro ni. Mheshimiwa Peter Kaluma bedo sedach gi dongruok mar Homa Bay constituency ka. Kawuono ka ng'iyo classrooms makadi macha Mheshimiwa Peter Kaluma. Emomiyo wawacho two term gi four term kendo gi two term mar jabino nikech tich watimo n'ogandawa. Ki wanyisuru piny ni Homa Bay County emane bedroom mar ng'awa baba, bedroom mar ng'awa Agwambo. Koro ki wanyisuru jopiny ng'ata man go guru mar ODM kik weda. Wawuo guru wanyis jowa ni pod wahero legacy mane baba oweyo. Kawuono e tim mar joka ka onge jaluo matelo lwa malongo magiketo mbele, onge karachiel. To jaluo emomiyo kawuono joka wacho ni Ruto en ang'owa one time. Ok dwa wit gigi te. Koro nakwayo an bende ka kineno ma isidi magero wodi Nyawang'aya makandi. King'iyo to kacha mache piny wagero gi Davis and Shatcliffe gi Britain Foundation gi Wellbody ma UK. To watimo gi awuon ka te 43 water projects. Higani kendo wan kod gi 11 madongo. Donge be? Toke ka be rangi pi moro chako in the next 3 weeks. Watimo ma wacho total nikech dongruok mosetimore nade? Wasekelo. Koro wane jogo duto mawacho ni Ruto two term. To dise Nyawang'aya to Mheshimiwa Peter Kaluma eri komolo japi. Ero uru kamano. Thank you.
Jodalawa oi. Koro oke wachano wuoyo nikech weche ma wadwa dhi timo tayo wasetieko donge. Tadwa go erokamano ne wadwa Eric Omolo ma president marwa ma East Ward kuom rwakowa kendo kuom puonjowa gigo matimore e dalawa sama oyudo thuolo mowuoyo. Ere jomoyie ni Eric Omolo tuta. Bende adwa kwayo ni sani adwa go erokamano be